You also told the State Assembly, Mr. Chief Minister, that the government is planning a population army that would distribute contraceptives and spread awareness on population control. Once again, explain why population control is as important as it is to your plans. And secondly, how do you assuage concerns about whether this again is being done with an eye on the minority community? How do you respond to that?
I mean, this is the biggest issue in front of Assam. Our population density in certain districts, maternal mortality, infant mortality, low education, low literacy rate, all in Assam we are attributing to the growth of population, not commensurate with the idea of a decent family. So in Assam, everybody agree that we need to maintain a decent family size. So this population army, ASA worker, they will move around, they will distribute contraceptive, because many a times the people who lives in riverine area, they do not get all this at their doorstep. So we are trying to help people for a decent family size. And I don't know that why people are questioning these instead of supporting all these things. If I am asking somebody for a decent family size, if I am thus asking to reduce maternal mortality and infant mortality, people should support it. These are the approach which will save our country. Otherwise, how our country will be saved?
In conclusion, I want to ask you about whether there is an informal blockade that's still going on. For all practical and official purposes, the borders between Assam and Mizoram have now been opened, but truck drivers and locals say that there's still, because of the advisories that were put out, that there is still an informal blockade.
Today, no, Rahul, by morning I have taken the data from the border. Already 400 trucks has gone, and there is absolutely peace and tranquility in the border.
And are you hopeful that you will find a solution to this border dispute, that in your term, given the cross-state linkages that you have and your ability to speak to members of the NEDA across the northeast, that you'll be able to resolve some of these long-standing border disputes?
Rahul, some problem we will be able to resolve, but something it will be very difficult to be resolved, because by now the ethnicity has changed, people has established their home, people has established their loyalty to a particular state. So you need to evolve various new mechanisms to resolve this dispute. 2 petitions are there before Supreme Court on with the Assam Nagaland and Assam Arunachal border dispute. So far as Meghalaya, we are talking very in a positive atmosphere. I think some dispute will be resolved, but some dispute we need help of a independent third party like Supreme Court of India.
Okay, you've also started using satellite images now to try and demarcate the border. Do you think the use of technology can potentially provide a solution?
We have recently signed an understanding with the government of Nagaland that we are going to map our border. We are going to maintain status quo based on that satellite imagery. So with Meghalaya also, now we are taking photograph through drone, UAV and satellites, so that things can be resolved. Many a times I say this village is X, Meghalaya refer the same village X as Y. So we need to reconcile our revenue records. So with Meghalaya we have made 4 formula that will resolve this border dispute on the basis of history, contiguity, administrative convenience, and finally will of the people who lives there. So with the Meghalaya we have evolved this 4 formula, and I am hopeful that some of the complex problem with the Meghalaya will be resolved. Supreme Court of India is hearing a title suit with Arunachal and Nagaland. I am hoping that some resolution will come from Supreme Court of India also in regard to these two states. But meanwhile, we all have decided, with exception of Mizoram, that we will maintain status quo with the help of satellite image and drone survey, and Union Home Minister is encouraging us to come to this conclusion, and we are coming to that conclusion.